Your business is not different. G'day folks, Dan here with another quick tip for you today. I often hear the phrase, oh, but my business is different. And the brutal truth is your business is not different. No business is actually different. All business want customers, sales, and they want to make profit. So when you start to realize your business is not different, you can actually start to level out some of the parameters that are perhaps getting in the way of you making more of a success of your business. So when it comes to systems and processes, the more you understand that your business is not actually that different, it will really help you. So for example, you might do a very particular kind of filmmaking or photography or creative process. Now, the part that you do may in fact be unique. That might be your secret sauce, but the steps that lead up to that are not in fact any different. So think about what you do and just bear in mind that your business isn't different and there are kind of commonalities that you can employ and deploy in your business, in your systems, in your processes that will help you become more effective. Talk soon, folks.